We'll guide you through how to verify age on Discord. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Google Chrome on your computer to begin the process. After the browser window appears on the screen, move your cursor to the search bar located at the top of the browser. Click the search bar so you can start typing. Type the word Discord into the search bar exactly as written. When you finish typing, press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. The browser will display a list of search results. Scroll down the page until you find the official Discord website among the results. After you locate the official website, click the link to open it. When the website loads, log into your account by clicking the email field on the login page. Once the email field is active, type your email address carefully. After entering your email, move your cursor to the password field and click it. Type your password in the password field. After you finish typing your password, you will automatically enter your Discord account and arrive at the main interface. Next, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This icon will open the settings menu for your account. After the settings menu appears, scroll through the list of options until you find the section labeled Family Center. When you see the Family Center option, click it to open the page. On the Family Center page, find the field for selecting the month. Click the month field to open the list of months. Scroll through the list until you find your birth month, then select it. After selecting the month, locate the date field and click it. A list of numbers will appear. Scroll through the numbers until you find your birth date and select it. Next, find the year field and click it to open the list of years. Scroll through the available years until you find your birth year, then select it. After all the required information has been filled in, review the fields to ensure the month, date, and year are correct. Finally, click the Submit button to finish the process. Once the submission is complete, your age will be verified successfully in your Discord account.